All right, today is Thursday. It's Miss DeBoer here with you again. We're going to start with our rhyme recognition. I'll say it, you repeat it, give me thumbs up if it rhymes, thumbs down if it doesn't rhyme. Snack back. Thumbs up, snack back rhyme. Tell talk. Tell and talk don't rhyme. They start the same, but they do not end the same. Rip, ship. Rip, ship, rhyme. Be, me. Yep, be, me, rhyme. Wind, blow. Wind and blow don't rhyme. Okay, we're going to do onset fluency. I'll say it, you repeat it. Many, mild, Upon, us, Edge, effort, Save, sick, s. Is, itchy, it. All right, great job. We're going to blend our phonemes, our parts of the word. G, o, go. H, e, he. S, o, so. W, e, we. B, I, by. Okay, we're going to isolate the final sound. We're going to punch it out. I'll do it. You repeat after me. Again. Take. Miss. Page. Fuzz. Okay, we're going to segment phonemes. Get your choppers out. I'll say it and segment, and then you repeat and segment. My, I. Say, s, a. Do, d, oo. Way, wa, a. Ki, k, e. All right, great job. Now we're going to add a phoneme to the beginning and blend our word together, okay? We're starting with oo, add g to the beginning to make goo. We're starting with I, add h to the beginning to make hi. We're starting with a, add w to the beginning to make way. We're starting with e, add b to the beginning to make B. We're starting with O, add to the beginning to make mo. Good. Now we're going to delete. I'm taking part of that word away. We have the word we without wa. What's left? E. We have the word my without What's left? I. We have the word toe without t. What's left? O. We have the word you without y. What's left? Oo. We have the word day without d. What's left? A. Great job. Okay, now we are substituting phonemes. That's where I take one away and change it with a new one. Okay, we have the word ball. Change b to t. And what's the word? All, tall. We have the word tall. Change t to th. And what's the word? Fall. We have the word fall. Change th to k. And what's the word? Call. We have the word call. Change k to h. And what's the word? Haul. We have the word haul. Change h to b. And what's the word? Ball. Good job. Okay, repeat after me. This is our nursery rhyme. Polly put the kettle on. Polly put the kettle on. Polly put the kettle on. We'll all have tea. Suki, take it off again. Suki, take it off again. And we're going to have to wait till Friday to find out how it ends. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow.